Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a lovely little cruise in our 1957 Chevy Bel Air, featuring a white exterior with US mag wheels on it. Going into the interior, you got that nice glossy red dash, old-fashioned steering wheel with the working horn. You got that really comfortable cloth and leather combination with the Chevy emblem bench seat. Along with the back, you got the matching pattern. But other than that, its cruising performance is pretty good. As you can see, our speedometer works, all our gauges. We got even the late model Sun Pro gauges, something you'd really see in the 80s, 90s, early 2000s. Also got the 2-knob radio with cassette if you ever want to play some jams. Got the really nice old school clock there on the glove box. And it's just cruising performance is pretty good, especially with the 327 underneath the hood. Definitely gives it its smooth but super sleeper kind of style. In fact, now we'll give you a little bit of a brake test. You see the brakes work pretty nice. And yeah, just its general performance is pretty good. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.